Hi everybody, Paul Langham here, and welcome to the first of the videos that I'm making in connection with our upcoming Internet Marketing Conference, which is taking place on the 27th of September here in Brussels. And the subject of today's video is the first in a series connected with traffic. Traffic is a huge subject, and I just want to actually split this video into two. I'll be making the first part now, and the second part we'll be getting later on. It's about 8:45 in the morning here in Brussels. I'm in one of the most popular shopping streets of Brussels, and as you can see, it's relatively empty. I just want to explain firstly that the internet business marketing model is actually no different from what I call an offline business model. And as you can see behind me, there are a lot of shops. What these guys actually need is traffic. We call this, in internet terminology, traffic. The regular shops would call this customers. The business model, in fact, is traffic plus conversions equals money. It's as simple as that. Most people don't understand that actually internet marketing is that simple, but there is no difference in between the model which is used for offline businesses and the model which we use online. So, first thing is traffic. The second thing to say is that one of the advantages with the online model, albeit you need the same thing, traffic plus conversions equals money, one of the advantages is there are no limitations as to your opening hours. Now, one of the reasons why I came down here now is at 8:45 in the morning, there is actually no traffic for these shops behind me. They're not open yet. They open around about 10 o'clock, and they have limited opening hours. And this is a huge advantage that we have online in terms of the fact that this is a 24-hour business, 7 days a week, 365 days per year. The second advantage is that I know, for example, in this shop there are lots and lots of clothes shops selling jeans, designer jeans and that type of thing. The second advantage is that it is very difficult for someone who's currently sitting in California to buy a pair of jeans from one of these shops behind me. They could conceivably write a letter and it could be actually posted out, but it's much easier for them to go online and select something from online, put the jeans into a shopping cart, and the whole thing is automatically sent to them, boxed up, and it arrives by registered post. This is a huge advantage, and within 20 years most of these shops behind me simply won't exist. I read an article some time back which said that people won't be buying things like shoes online because it's too difficult with the size and they don't fit and all the rest of it. Just take a look, go on Google and see how many shoes are now being sold off websites, are being sold offline, and shoe shops are going bust like there's no tomorrow. So take it from me, another 20 years, half of this stuff behind me will be leisure centres, restaurants, things like that, but it won't be offline businesses. Okay, I'm going to leave you now. That's the first part of the traffic video. I'm going to come back when we do actually have some traffic, and we can then go forward and have a look at some of the arguments about what you need to do with your traffic, how to get it, and how to convert it. So hi everybody, welcome back. It's now lunchtime, and as you can see, the streets are now filled with shoppers, filled with traffic, who are busily looking to pick up bargains in the sales which are currently taking place. So let's recap what we've had a look at so far with regard to this traffic video. First thing is, the business model you need to be interested in is this. Traffic plus conversions equals money. You can see the traffic behind me, so we have the traffic. The only problem is with the offline model, which is what you have behind me, is they can't run 24 hours a day, they can't run 7 days a week, and they can't run 365 days a year, which is what we can do on the internet. So you should now start to be able to see the benefits of having an online business as opposed to an offline business. Okay, so the point then is that you just need to bring the type of traffic that you can see behind me in terms of web visitors to your site. Just imagine that each one of these shops is actually a website which belongs to you. So long as you bring this number of visitors to your website, you are going to make conversions, which means you're going to sell something based on the products on your website, and you will make a profit. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick video about traffic. It's the first in a series that I'll be bringing you, and please click on the Facebook link above to sign up and take a look at the conference which we're doing on the 27th of September, where I'll be talking about traffic generation technology.